ever find yourself tongue-tied at parties, unsure what to say at a networking event, or dreading making new friends? Social confidence is the key to unlocking enjoyable, authentic connections. Let's break free from awkwardness and build your ability to shine in any social setting. Why social confidence isn't just about extroversion. It's really easy to assume that socially confident people are simply extroverts. However, introverts can be wonderfully socially confident too. It's less about how much you love being the center of attention and more about a feeling of ease within yourself while engaging with others. Identify your social anxiety triggers. Let's be specific. What makes social situations scary for you? Fear of judgment? The worry that people will find you boring, weird, or unlikable maybe? Not knowing what to say. Your mind goes blank, leaving you with awkward silences. Comparing yourself to others, that witty, outgoing person in the room becomes proof of your inadequacy. Physical symptoms, blushing, sweating, a shaky voice, the fear of these happenings make it even more worse. Understanding your triggers is the first step towards taming them. Busting a confidence killer: overthinking. So much social anxiety comes from overthinking our every word and action. We become hyper aware of ourselves and imagine all the ways we are messing up. The truth is, most people are far more focused on themselves rather than they are focused on you. Preparation is your friend, but don't overdo it. A little preparation goes a long way, especially in anxiety-provoking scenarios. Conversational openers. Here are a few questions ready. What brings you to this event? What are you working on these days? Interesting tidbits. Any discussion about a recent trip or an article you read can break the ice. Know your limits. Are you introverted? Give yourself permission to take breaks. Large groups training? Stick to one-on-one chats. Focus outward. Genuine curiosity is the key. The quickest way to get out of your head is to become genuinely interested in others. Ask open-ended questions, actively listen, and find points of connection. Not only does this take the spotlight off you, but it makes you truly fascinating to talk to. Body language boost. Remember how posture and gestures influence how you feel. They also send powerful signals to others. Aim for open body language. Eye contact, not a creepy stare, but don't shy away either. Relaxed smile. Head up, avoid hunching.